Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In last week I started semi-modal. Semi-modals are a verb that work partly semi-modals or partly verb. So in that I have started have to, has to and had to. Today I am going to start a new one, that is need to and ought to. Need to means necessity and requirement. Ought to means it used for advice and moral duty. So let's see how the need to is used. So let's learn the structure, that is subject, that is need to plus V1. Students need to practice English daily. So it's in this sentence it shows it is necessity. Students need to practice English daily. We need to improve communication. So this is a requirement. We need to improve communication. The manager need to submit a document. So in this sentence it shows a necessity. So all these three sentences it shows a necessity and the requirement. So let's see a negative form of need to, how to use in the sentences, that is you do not need to worry. So subject do not plus need to and V1. She does not need to come home. He does not need to write notes. So need to is used sometimes for necessity, sometimes for requirement. So depend on the situation, you have to use need to. So let's see now next one, that is ought to. Ought is used for advice or sometimes it is used for the moral duty. See the example, see the structure, that is subject ought to plus V1. So we ought to respect elders. So it is a moral duty. Students ought to obey rules. So that is a advice. Next, we ought to plant the trees. This shows again the moral duties. The employee ought to follow the rules. So this is a advice. So ought to we can use sometimes advice and sometimes moral duty according to situation. I hope you get to know about how the ought to and need to is used in the sentences. But guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you.